Welcome to my channel, Titir's Jocund Company. Today I am going to make a bird with a coconut shell. Let's get started. Materials. To make the bird, I need a coconut shell, jute rope, pista shell, pencil, color and brush, Fevicol, a red paper, scissor, two green papers, a white paper, and two oval shaped black paper. Procedure. First, take the coconut shell. First, we have to color the coconut shell. Here, I have taken the green color. I am coloring the jute rope also. Now let it dry. Now draw a shape like wings in the green paper. Then we have to cut it. Now the wings are ready. Now I have to stick the wings here with the sides. The two pista shells. With this I will make the legs of the bird. I will put this Fevicol first. And stick it. Now with the white color paper, I had cut two circles and I had stick into the oval black papers. And with this, I will make the eyes of the bird. Now with the jute rope, I have made the tail of the bird. Now with the small red color square paper, I will make the beak of the bird. I need to fold the paper. Is ready. See, the bird is ready.